Hi, Dennis Hall here with LearningTemplates.com. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to add a e-learning launch button to a LifterLMS lesson from within my LifterLMS xAPI plugin. This launch button is going to control the lesson completion status of the lesson that I'm launching this e-learning in. The addition of this button, of this new function where the course will mark the lesson complete. This is considered to be in the CMI5 world a move-on criteria. So let's go ahead and let's get this started. So LifterLMS xAPI now has move-on criteria, which is again one more step closer to a CMI5 certified product. Now, for those of you who already know this plugin and have used it, you may notice that there are a great many more controls related to creating your button. In this area, this is the button preview area, and the remaining controls for the most part remain the same. However, I have added in the control mark complete button, meaning when this lesson is completed or this e-learning is completed, it will allow the student to mark the lesson as completed. Beyond that, we're still capturing with the courses that you've uploaded into LifterLMS xAPI or the courses that you've linked into your LMS. We're going to select Control Mark Complete button and we'll add an image. We'll go ahead and we'll add this flowery image to the button and we'll set the image size. Now when I do this, you're going to see the preview update and you can see that the image is quite a lot larger than the button. We're going to set the image to the left side of the button and we'll give the button a background color. We'll make it a yellow background color and we'll change the text of the button to open this course to complete this lesson. So you can see here that the text is updated on the button itself. I'm going to change the font size of the text to about 20 pixels, and I've now also added this new list where you can select from Google Fonts, and there's quite a number of fonts in the list to add into your button. So let's go ahead and let's pick cherry cream soda. Now here in the preview you're not going to see that font style, but you will see the text. So we'll leave the text as black and we'll make the border of this probably in a gold color. Let's go ahead and let's give the border a radius, and that gives it nice rounded corners, and we'll give it some top and bottom padding. This way we can fit that image into the button a little better. So we'll add a little more top and bottom padding, and we'll make the padding left all the way so that the text is outside the image. The padding right, maybe we'll add a little more to that. Okay, so now we have this nice button that we've created, and we'll simply insert this into the post. Now, inserting this into the post will now give this very long short code. Don't worry, this is not seen in the front end. This is only a back end. But what I want to point out is if you've already got LifterLMS xAPI and you would like to add the completion, the lesson or quiz completion status to your existing buttons, you can simply copy this portion of the shortcode mark complete equals 1 and paste it into your existing buttons. You can also copy fonts and font sizes and just paste them in as well. By doing this, you're able to use this new button as a template to update your existing buttons through copying and pasting font size, font styles, as well as copying and pasting the mark complete. And let's go ahead and let's just update this. And let's go and test our new launch course. Now this is just a storyline checklist is what it is. So that once I complete this checklist, you will see that the lesson itself will be able to be completed. So let's go ahead and let's view this lesson. And what you can see here is that this lesson, the font is picked up and all that, and the lesson is not able to be marked complete. You saw it for a second, but that's only because I'm on a slow server. So let's go ahead and let's just breeze through this checklist. Once I get to the last slide, or the last object, now this is completed. So let's go ahead and let's just refresh this, and you can now see that the Mark Complete button is displayed. So I can now mark this lesson as completed. And that's it. Thanks a lot.